Oops, I ran out of time on that last video, so we'll keep going on lesson 6.3 with our strategy here. So this strategy was 8 times, or the problem was 8 times 7, and our strategy is going to be near double. So what near double is 8 times 7 by? It's by 7 times 7, which is a double. Okay, it's a square problem. So I start with 7 groups of 7. I can go ahead and make an array for my 7 groups of 7. And then I just need to add on one more group to get to 8 times 7, which is 56. So another example, let's say my helper fact is going to be 6 times 6, and I want 7 times 6. So I can go ahead and make my array for 6 times 6. Finish that up. We're going to pretend it's finished. Count that up. It's going to be 36. I want to add one more row. Add on 6 to 36, and I would get 42. So that's how we can use helper facts of our square problems to help us solve some problems. And last, we have our, this is our break apart strategy. All right. So if I want to know what 7 times 6 is, I'm going to break apart the 7 into 5 and 2. So my helper fact would be 5 times 7 and 5 times 2, that's 35, and that's 12. And I add those two together, and I'm going to get 42. All right. Now, why did I use 5 times 7 and 5 times 2? Because they're facts that I know. They're my helper facts. So we've got a lot of strategies that we can use to help us solve multiplication problems. So what I want you to work on is you can take the time to play baseball multiplication again. Now, if you've already written on your paper, which you probably did from yesterday, you can just do it on the whiteboard. You can keep score on a whiteboard. The directions are here again if you need them. And make sure you work on your math boxes on page 195. Tomorrow, which is Friday, make sure you do some ST Math. Have fun with it. Talk to you soon.